Because Allah Azza wa Jal does not eat, does not sleep, does not marry, does not travel, does not live, does not face any difficulty. So Allah does not become model from that point of view. He commands. So that's where the messenger or the Rasul comes in, that he is sent amongst human beings. He goes through much more even extreme circumstances, much more hunger, much more difficulty, much more opposition than actually we would be going through. Living in such society which will be more even evil, more, you may say, away from the system of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in those circumstances, He shows you how to actually survive. It's like a person have a food in the kitchen. He has a bread, he has some vegetables, he has some little bit of fruit, but not anything else. And then there is another person who is shown who doesn't have bread, who doesn't have any fruit, who doesn't have any vegetable, maybe some grass, maybe some salt, maybe some tea, so if they are shown that, look, when you don't have anything, that's how you can survive on the grass, on the tree. You can survive by drinking milk. You can survive 3, 4, 5 days by this. So he is showing you even how to survive in extreme circumstances. And me and you, we have bread, for example, some fruits, which should be much easier. And if we have so many other things, all other kinds of food, and still we are having difficulty to maintain health, then there is something seriously wrong with myself.